Hello and welcome to Florida National University. Today we will talk about your student email. This is a really important part of your communication with faculty, staff, peers, everyone. Also, a good way to have some options from Microsoft. Let me explain it. When you go to fnu.edu, you'll see this screen. Then you click on Current Student and Email Login. This will prompt you to our web page. Remember, your student email is the first letter of your name plus your last name, the last four numbers student ID at stu.fnu.edu. And your password, the first letter of your name, uppercase, 33012, zip code for distant learning, 2250, the last four numbers of your student ID, as you can see it here. Let's put it on test. Uppercase, 33012, 2250. As soon as you have access to your student email, you will see all the information the professors will send you. It works like any other Outlook account, like for example Hotmail, but with a big difference. In this menu, you can see OneDrive, so you don't have to use a USB drive anymore, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and a lot more. Let's think that you need to do your homework. Okay, let's go to Microsoft Word. As soon as you click on Microsoft Word, you're going to have the option to have Microsoft Word 365 that works exactly like the ones that you use in any other system. Full menu. The only difference is the way you save it. You just have to click in File, Save As, Testing, and Save. Instead of being saved in your hard drive, this will be saved in your OneDrive, so you can open it anywhere you go. You see? Now we have testing here. What if you need it in your computer so you can upload it to Blackboard? Very simple. Just click on File, Save As, download a copy. As soon as you download your copy, you're going to have an extra copy in your hard drive, and that copy can be saved and uploaded to Blackboard or sent by email as an attachment. This you can do it with Excel, PowerPoint, Access, any software that you need from there. And it's completely free for the users of the student email. If you need to change information, just go here and make the changes that you want. You can manage connectors, manage adds in, you can change your settings, your password, everything that you need. And remember, every time that you finish, you sign out and you'll be ready. Thank you.